Welcome to June, everybody.
Happy Midsummer.
Yes, Anna's favorite holiday. If any of you guys know me, you know that I don't like the grass to grow under my feet. I kind of like to change things up a bit. So, we have a surprise for you guys today. This is my daughter, Emily Blue, and she's going to be joining my team. It's been really fun watching Emily in her creative journey. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, I definitely grew up in a very creative household with Leah as my mother, and both my grandparents were also artists, and I feel like that really nurtured me into starting my creative journey quite early. Then I kept doing art all through high school, and I decided to become a hairstylist.
And Anna, she's your hairstylist as well as mine.
Yes, for a long time.
We're going to miss that part of her. We're just going to say it.
I'm very excited to hopefully bring that fresh eyes and new sense of creativity to the group, as well as do some teaching.
Emily is a very accomplished illustrator, and we're really happy to have some of her design influence and share that with all of you.
Yeah. So Anna, what are the trends this summer?
Well, the most important holiday of the year is summer solstice, or we call it Midsummer in Sweden. It's really kind of a celebration to welcome summer. It's also a magical time of love.
Well, we like that.
Yeah, so the girls usually decorate our hair. We tie a little crown out of flowers, and we have a beautiful one to show this.
We do, and I think that we should have Emily wear it. It matches your sweater.
Yes.
Nice going, girl.
Very pretty.
The princess.
I've noticed myself, especially the last few years, being really interested in celebrating what I call the Earth holidays rather than the Hallmark holidays. So summer solstice, I would like to integrate that as part of my lifestyle.
Celebrating Midsummer and those things really tie in with some of the trends we're seeing, which is we're all craving nature a lot more. We're kind of moving away from the open concept, but we're opening our homes out towards the garden. So we're seeing a lot more people installing more windows. Also putting up room dividers, like using bookcases or plants as room dividers.
So really cozier space on the inside, but then integrating to the outside. Yeah. Which you've already started planting your garden.
Started planting our garden. We've got our tomatoes in. I'm so excited to eat that first fresh tomato. Our strawberries are blooming.
Yeah.
Everything's coming. Time for the flowers.
Yeah.
And I know that inside my house is completely filled with plants. And I've got a whole collection ready to go, bringing that outside, inside, just trying to surround ourselves with greenery.
Yeah,
You're totally right. We're craving the outside after a long winter inside.
And we call her Plant Lady, which is why she's such a perfect addition to our team.
And she actually has the real green live growing plants, and oftentimes Emily will rescue plants from my house.
I think about a quarter of my plant collection has been rescued.
She's got the green thumb, you got the paper thumb.
There we go.
And we are also seeing kind of more of a yearn for Zen environment. So we're seeing a lot more meditation rooms. And we have some really fun projects to decorate those types of environments. We got the lotus flower. And another really hot trend we're seeing is people looking more for heirloom quality, not so much buy and toss, so more maker-made items.
I think that is so true. Yeah, even, going to vintage shops, which you love to vintage shop.
I do.
Finding that beautiful handmade, wooden carved bowl is such a find, and having that piece of someone's heart in your house is just a really beautiful way to decorate.
And it's a unique piece rather than something that you're buying in a box store that's all over the world, mass produced, maybe not the most ethically produced. Instead, we're reusing things that would have otherwise been thrown out. Why not? We can find awesome pieces and have more unique homes.
And we can create awesome pieces too.
It's true.
Yes, I really like a lot of ceramics, and I see around your home you have a lot of pieces your mom made, which is such a wonderful memory.
Her grandma. Yeah, you have a few as well.
So beautiful.
And I'm working on making some of my own. So. So the projects that the team and I have gathered together and made and collected really do focus on that summer solstice theme, with a little spin-off here and there. But one of my favorite things, I have to say, Krista, she made us a felt burger. So since I'm now vegan and gluten-free, I have to say, this is the perfect burger for me. Look at this thing. I just want to take a bite out of it. Anyone? Would you like a fry?
Sure.
Delicious.
Nice and fluffy.
I mean, actually, look at these pickles. Those are incredible.
Absolutely gorgeous. Kristen knocked it out of the park
That's
with
a
this.
piece of.
She did.
One of my favorite pieces this month is this adorable felt stuffy dog. Isn't he cute?
So cute.
And look at his bandana.
With a little daisy on it,
Yeah,
perfect
he's
for
got
summer
his own little
solstice.
flower crown.
He does. And Enzo was really loving on this dog yesterday as well.
It's very cute.
And of course, we have our beautiful head crown. So, what kind of flowers are these?
It looks like we've got a cornflower here.
And some little daisies.
Absolutely gorgeous. The detail on this is insane.
She kind of knocked it out of the park.
So pretty. And these are exactly the types of flowers and head wreaths we would make in Sweden. So
And yeah,
I'll be wearing this one on Midsummer.
Here you go.
Thank you much. Ta-da!
Gorgeous.
so moving into home decor, we have a beautiful macrame project that's actually quite simple. And we all made this as a team a couple Christmases ago
Yeah,
for our Christmas
Such a
party.
fun project.
It is really fun, and it's great for the beginner. So go check that out. And we also have some beautiful placemats that have kind of a sun design. Of course, we're celebrating the sun in June. And one of my favorite things personally is Lindsay made me these little pieces of art, and these are cut out of wood. I'll give one, there's one for each of us here. There we go. And this is actually called the Seed of Life, which is part of the Flower of Life. I'm wearing my Flower of Life earrings today. And the way that I see it, this is a very old symbol, but for me personally, I see the seed of life as a symbol of creativity, and I wanted to have a set of these to hang in my office. This is also great for a yoga room or any sort of Zen space that you have in your house. The symbol has been seen in all different cultures, and if you look at it, you can see there's 7 circles. There's 6 in the outer and then 1 in the inner to create this beautiful flower shape. Let's talk about paper flowers.
This is a lily of the valley, and it is one of the most popular wedding flowers. It's hard to get in some places, and that's why this crepe paper version is just perfect.
It will last forever and ever. I mean, you can put it in a pot like this, or you can also use them as a bundle in a wedding bouquet.
So pretty.
And I love these flowers, and they really only bloom for a short amount of time. So I would love to have this just kind of sitting in a corner all year round.
There you go.
Sounds
Thank
like
you.
you'll be making
Oh,
one.
thank you.
That's her stay gift.
I'm very excited about this project this month. We had a lot of questions on greenery for all the beautiful bouquets, and this are lots of examples of greenery.
So we have a salal, which is a lemon leaf.
Got some ferns for you.
Ferns for me. I love my ferns. We have here some Dusty Miller.
Yes.
This is one of my favorites.
I love that one too. And then this one is a lily grass, and those are really easy to make, of course. We have our myrtle for you, Anna.
Thank you much.
And also we have our ruscus.
Yes, this will be so fun to make and perfect for all your bouquets.
I feel like I'm back in my flower shop.
I feel like I can almost smell them.
And for our member make this month, we are making
Back by popular demand, we have the Juliet Rose. One for you
thank you.
and one for you. And I think
These
there's one coming for me.
are just exquisite.
They really are. And this is using our extra fine crepe paper. There's quite a bit of petal in this flower, but according to what I'm hearing, these are quite easy to make. So make sure and join us for our member make in June. And the date is
June 18th.
June 18th. And of course, in addition to the full bloom rose, we also have the beautiful buds. So you have a complete flower.
Oh, thank you very much. Make sure you pop over to our shop for all the supplies. We also have some new products for you. We got the pinking shears back in stock, the 3mm one with the scallop and the triangle. And we also have some grapevine wreaths back in stock. So make sure you pop over to our shop for all the supplies for a member make, as well as take a peek around and see what new products we have.
So for all of those who are taking the master class and have finished, congratulations.
Yay.
And for those of you who are still working on it, know that you have till the end of July to finish the master class and get your certificate.
We hope you have a wonderful June, everybody, and make sure you tune in for a member make on the 18th.
And we'll see you all next month.
Goodbye.